Okay, so here we are, FlipAClip. We've completed our 8-frame walk cycle. I've actually done 9. So as you can see, we're starting to get a pretty convincing animation here. From now, we're going to copy and paste our little character twice more over. See, I've actually done 9 frames here. So my first frame is a contact pose, and my 9th frame is also a contact pose further on down the road. So I'm going to keep that in mind when I go to copy and paste some of my next frames here. So there's a couple different ways we can do this from here. The method I would use maybe is knowing that I'm in a contact pose here. I know that my next frame, so if this is the same as frame 1, the next pose that my character is going to need is actually on frame 2. So that's where I'm going to start my copy and paste job. So I could do this a couple different ways. I could select the ink here on this frame individually and go up to the top menu bar here, and copy is the 2 squares. And then I could go and create a new frame down here, a new frame 10, and paste it with the icon right next door. Or did I do the wrong icon? Let me see. Frame 2, select, I believe copy is the 2 squares, and then paste. Maybe it's the opposite way. Copy is maybe the one with the little checker box, and paste must be the 2 squares. Okay, that works. If I turn onion skin on here, I can see where my character was in the previous frame, and I can now just move my character to match up feet. And at this point, I'm looking again at my shaded left foot, and I want the heel to match up with the heel, so I can kind of position it accordingly. That looks like that'll work there. Then I'm going to create a new frame, and if that was a copy of frame 2, on frame 11 I want to copy frame 3. So this is a passing pose here. So I have an onion skin on right now, but the frame itself is the passing pose where the foot is passing in front of the other. And the onion skin won't affect my copy and paste here, so I'm just going to grab the region that includes my character. Copy is apparently the one with the check box there. Go to my new frame here and paste it in, and use the onion skin to match up the foot position, the left foot position here. That looks pretty good. New frame. So if that was slide 3 I copied from, I'm going to go back to slide 4. Select my character in the high point here. Copy. Paste. Match up feet. Okay, back to frame, where was I? 4, I believe. Select, copy, new frame, paste. Oh, I guess I was on frame 4, so I don't need that anymore. I want frame 5 now. This pose here. Copy and paste. That's the next pose there. Nice. So that was frame 5. Now I'm going to go copy frame 6. Copy. Paste. Match up feet. Now I'm looking at the front foot here. Okay. Now I want frame 7. Copy. Paste. Oops, what do I got here? Too many characters here. I want to be on this frame here. There we go. So that's my passing pose with the left foot. New frame. Let's see here, passing pose with left foot. So this would be my next one. Copy. Paste. Reposition. High point with the left knee kicking up. And then finally, my new contact pose, back down to the ground with the left foot. Paste, position. And that gets me back to where I started, which is a new recoil pose with the left foot. So I would repeat that process one more time, and that would reach all the way across the scene. So now I have 2 full cycles in place. Your assignment is to create 3 full cycles, which will roughly get you most of the way across the scene. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. Just got to keep organized with what frame you're copying and pasting, and then just organizing the feet to make sure they're staying in place. Thumbs up indeed.